You know you need a life insurance. You have known for a while. But every time you sit down to figure out which plan to buy, you end up with 10 browser tabs open. 3 different opinions from people around you and no decision made. The problem is not a lack of options, it is a lack of a clear framework. Once you have a framework, the decision becomes much simpler. This video gives you that framework. Choosing the right life insurance plan in India comes down to 3 questions answered in order. What do you need the plan to do? How much cover do you need? And which insurer can you trust to actually pay? Answer these 3 in sequence and the right plan becomes obvious. Before you look at a single plan, answer these 3 questions about yourself. Question 1. What is your primary goal? Protection only, protection plus savings, or protection plus long-term investment? If your goal is to make sure your family is financially covered if you pass away and nothing else, that is pure protection. If you also want to build savings or receive a payout at the end of the plan term, that is protection plus savings. If you want your money to grow over time through market-linked returns while also staying covered, that is protection plus investment. Your answer to this question directly determines which type of plan you need. Question 2. For how long do you need cover? Cover your working years at minimum. If you are 28 and plan to retire at 60, you need at least 32 years of cover. If you have a home loan running for 20 years, your cover should run at least that long. The cover period should last as long as your family depends on your income. Question 3. How much can you commit to in premiums? A term plan will cost significantly less than an endowment plan or a ULIP for the same cover amount. Be honest about what you can pay consistently for the full premium term. Missing premium has consequences. All life insurance plans in India are regulated by IRDAI, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India. Every insurer and every plan must meet IRDAI's disclosure and solvency requirements before being sold. Your answer to question 1 maps directly to a plan type. Here is how. Go for term insurance if your goal is pure protection. Since it is a pure protection plan, it does not offer a maturity payout if you outlive the policy terms. It is the most affordable way to get a large coverage amount. If your goal is protection plus guaranteed savings, an endowment plan is the right choice. While the policy is in force, it provides a life insurance benefits to your loved ones in case of your unfortunate demise. However, if you outlive the policy terms, you receive a guaranteed maturity benefit, which is the sum assured plus any declared bonuses. It is designed for capital protection over the long term, not wealth maximization. If your goal is protection plus long-term market-linked growth, ULIP or unit-linked insurance plan is worth considering. Part of your premium goes to life cover and the rest is invested in funds of your choice, equity, debt or balanced. Returns are not guaranteed and depend on market performance. It works best over a horizon of 10 years or more. One rule that applies to all 3. Do not choose on premium alone. The cheapest plan is not automatically the right one. Match the plan type to your goal first, then compare premiums within that type. The plan type is not half the decision. The insurer you choose matters just as much. There are 4 things to check about any insurer before you commit. First, the claim settlement ratio over the last 3 years. This is the percentage of death claims the insurer paid out. IRDAI publishes this annually at irdai.gov.in. Look for a ratio consistently above 97% over 3 consecutive years, not just the latest year. Second, the solvency ratio. IRDAI mandates a minimum solvency ratio of 1.5 for all life insurers. A ratio above 1.5 means the insurer has more assets than liabilities and is financially strong enough to pay claims. Check this in the insurer's annual report. Third, claim processing speed. Once all required documents are submitted, death certificate, policy document, ID proof, and bank details, IRDAI regulations require the insurer to settle the claim within 15 days for cases that do not require further investigation and 45 days for cases requiring investigation. Fourth, grievance redressal record. IRDAI publishes the compliant volume and resolution rate for every insurer. An insurer with a high compliant volume or low resolution rate is a concern regardless of its claim settlement ratio. The cover amount, also called the sum assured, is what your family receives if you pass away. It needs to be enough to replace your income, clear your liabilities, and fund your family's future goals. Also called the sum assured is what your family receives if you pass away. It needs to be enough to replace your income, clear your liabilities, and fund your family's future goals. A commonly used starting point is 10 to 15 times your annual income. If you earn 8 lakh a year, your cover should be at least 80 lakh to 1.2 crore. That is just the income replacement component. On the top of that, add any outstanding loans, a home loan, a personal loan, a car loan, and add the amount your family will need for goals that are still ahead. Your children's education, your spouse's long-term needs. When you add income replacement plus liabilities plus future goal, you get a cover number that actually protects your family rather than one that runs out quickly. Both online and offline buying are valid. The right choice depends on your situation. Buying online means going directly to the insurer's website, comparing plans yourself, and completing the full process digitally. It is generally faster and suits buyers who are comfortable doing their own research and have a straightforward health profile. Buying through an insurer advisor or at a branch gives you personalized guidance throughout the process. They can help you understand your options, complete the application, and assist your nominee if they ever need to make a claim. This approach is particularly helpful for buyers with complex financial needs, significant health disclosures, or high cover amount that may require additional underwriting. Neither is universally better. If you know what you want and are comfortable with the process, online is efficient. If you have questions or a complex situation, an insurance advisor adds genuine value. ABSLI offers life insurance plans across all categories, including term, endowment, ULIP, and pension. Plan details, premium calculators, and the claims process are available at the link in the description. Before I wrap, here are the 3 questions I get asked most about choosing a life insurance plan in India. How much life insurance cover is enough for a salaried person in India? A commonly used benchmark is 10 to 15 times your annual income. Adjust upward if you have a home loan, multiple dependents, or are the sole earning member. The goal is to replace your income for long enough that your family can become financially self-sufficient. Is it better to buy life insurance online or through an agent in India? Online suits buyers who are comfortable comparing options independently and want a faster, lower cost process. An agent suits buyers who want guided advice, especially for complex situations or high cover amounts. Neither is universally better. Choose based on your comfort with the process. How do I know if a life insurance company will actually pay my claim? Check the insurer's claim settlement ratio over the last 3 years, published annually by IRDAI at irdai.gov.in. A consistently high ratio above 97% is a strong reliability signal. Also check the grievance redressal record in the same report. If this helped you build a framework to choose the right life insurance plan in India, hit like and subscribe. The description has a link to ABSLI's plan comparison page. Drop your questions in the comments.